So the ART is scheduled to shut down by the end of March 2026. If you haven't heard of ART, it is the shuttle service that circles around the non-Disney hotels in the Disneyland neighborhood. Hotels within walking distance of Disney are going to sell out fast, and you definitely pay a bit more for that convenience. Disneyland officials have confirmed that the shuttles between the parking lot and the theme parks will continue to run. Hyatt Place Anaheim was not on my list before, but it sits on the top of my Plan B list now because it is located just across the street from the Disney Toy Story parking. I'm staying at Hyatt Place today, and I have two choices. I can go to the Toy Story parking lot, which is on my right side, or I can go straight from here. So I walk about 20 to 25 minutes. Actually, if you want to walk to the shuttle from the parking lot, it takes a while still. I think it would take me about 10 minutes. So they have shuttles here at the Toy Story parking lot. At the same time, you're going to go through security gate before you hop onto the bus.
What happened? What? They didn't take the payment.
And I'm at Disney California Adventure now. It took me about like 30 minutes. I still prefer to stay at properties that are within walking distance of the theme park. My top non-Disney hotel choices are Home 2 Suite and Hyatt House Anaheim. It seems easy to get upgrade from Hilton, but Hyatt House is closer to a Walgreens and some famous restaurants.
Five, four, three, two, one.
I hope you find this video helpful. Have a fun trip at Disney.